Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. You are most welcome to my channel. Let's start the chapter 3, Coordinate Geometry. Let us suppose a point is given and you have to reach that point. Let us suppose this point is given, this point is A. You have to reach this point. How would you reach to this point? For reaching this point, you will need two informations. First information, the point of origin. The point of origin means O, from which you will move. This point O is called origin. Second, you will need two reference axes. That is called coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis. This x-axis and this y-axis. You will start from O and after reaching this point to this point perpendicular to, I am dropping perpendicular from A to this line. Let us suppose this distance is 3 units. Then after reaching at this point B, you will reach to A along y-axis. Let us suppose this distance is 4 units. Then you will reach at the point A. This is called the coordinate system, Cartesian system or coordinate system. For locating a point, you will need two informations. First is origin and second is coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis, along which you will move, and the point of origin from which you will start moving. This distance is called abscissa. 3 units is abscissa. And this distance along y-axis is called ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate are taken together in a bracket. This is called coordinate. This is called coordinate. Let us suppose this distance along x-axis is 3, this distance along y-axis is 4. Then this system of writing is called coordinate. First is called abscissa, second is called ordinate. Now I am going to explain you in a broad way. This is called x-axis, this is called y-axis, these two coordinate axes meet at the point O. This is called origin. These two coordinates are perpendicular to each other, mutually perpendicular to each other, and this is x dash axis. This is negative direction of x, this is positive direction of x axis. This is y, positive direction of y axis, and this is negative direction of y axis. This is positive direction of x axis, this is negative direction of x axis. This is positive direction of x axis, this is y axis, and this is negative direction of y axis. All distances are originated from O along x-axis, then y-axis. This line is x-axis, this line is y-axis. Let us suppose we have to locate -2, 3. Then this distance will be measured along x-axis in negative direction. Let us suppose this is -1, this is -2. And this 3 is y. This distance will be in y direction. Y direction means this direction. This 3 is positive. You will move along y-axis in positive direction in 3 units. This is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 1, 2, 3. This point -2, 3. Understood? Now the distances, let us suppose this point, you have to locate this point 0, 3. 0, 3 means x is 0 and y is 3. Meaning that you will start from origin O. This point O, origin is O, 0, 0. The coordinate of origin O is 0, 0. Means x is 0, y 0. Then x is 0 means here this point O. And 3 means y-axis, along y-axis. Along y-axis means along positive direction of y-axis. Meaning that 1, 2, 3. You will reach here 0, 3. This point lies on y-axis. This point lies on y-axis. Let us suppose 3, 0. You will start from x, this is x, and this is y. This is x, this is y. You will start from 3, meaning that you will start from origin 3 unit along a positive direction of x-axis, because 3 is positive direction of x-axis, meaning that 1, 2, 3. You will start from origin O, 1, 2, 3. You have reached here this point, and y is 0. Y 0 means it will not go up or it will not go down. It will remain at the same point. Therefore, the coordinate will be 3, 0, 3, 0. This point lies on x-axis. Now I am going to explain you about the quadrants. X-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash. This is positive direction of x, this is negative direction of x, this is positive direction of y, this is negative direction of y. This is called first quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now the sign convention. In this first quadrant, both x and y will be positive. X and y both will be positive. In second quadrant, minus and plus. X will be negative and y will be positive. In third quadrant, both will be negative. X will be negative, y will be negative. And fourth quadrant, plus minus. X will be positive and y will be negative. This is the sign convention for locating the points. What is the meaning of x-axis? Meaning of x-axis means x-axis is a line and its equation will be y equal to 0. The equation of line x-axis is y equal to 0. The equation of y-axis is what? Y-axis is a line, and the equation of y-axis will be x equal to 0, meaning that this is the equation of x-axis, and this is the equation of y-axis. Y equal to 0 means equation of x-axis. X equal to 0 means equation of y-axis.